Alright, here I have a Ken Mountain Road railroad crossing at Jeff, Kentucky. So this old relay case over here where the signal was here, well, it's taken down now. Which where the Modern Streets Mechanical Bell or Western Gullah Hayes was stood. And as you can see, the old base crossing relay case over here, I'm going to walk over here and show you. As you can see, right here, here's what I'm seeing. Poor old relay case. It was used for like so many years before it removed, and that's when a new relay case was stood right here. Which I don't know why, because crossing is pretty much not out of service because it stood right there. Okay, so here the first signal. The crossing's first signal has been completely into action. So the first signal has Western Gullah Hayes base on the back, and the front says Federal Signal. It's just like a logo on it. And we have emergency information. The dial number is 346-122M. The lights are Western Gullah Hayes top at 24-inch lights with Western Gullah Hayes second generation LEDs. Also, I've seen a video of Micah Turner was over here, next building, and I was over there. And the bell on top of the signal is NEGE bell from Amtrak and CSX. And here is a train traffic light, which there's where the old train traffic was stood, right here, before it was put a new style there, as you can see. If I can show you around, and as you can see, the train light is red, so it means stop, the train's not approaching. And it's good to know. As you can see, here's the milepost. Here it is. And right here on this signal, train traffic light, is Lincoln Industries cantilever box, junction box. Now, over here, the second signal. Gonna watch these puddles. If I can cross. So this one has Safe Train base on it. And the lights are also Western Gullah Hayes with Western Gullah Hayes second generation LEDs in them. And here's the path. And here's the all new train traffic signals was built. As you can see. And poor old relay case. It was really kind of sad to see the old relay case was broken. Not broken, but taken down and took it all apart. So yeah. So this is the Ken Mountain Road update where the old relay case was taken off in Jeff, Kentucky. Over and out.